Hello everyone, today I will show you how I can use waste plastic bags for gardening. This is the result after 1 month. As you can see, there are lots of small tomatoes. Those will be ready after 3 to 4 weeks. At the end I will show you after 15 days results as well. So this is a golden tomato plants. You can see it has few flower buds coming. So I will repot this in a waste plastic bag. This is a rice plastic bag which I will use today, and this is multi-purpose compost. I'll break those soil properly. And now I will make some small holes. I will cut this using a scissor. You can use your own prepared soil. I have a video for that as well. Link I'll put in the description. So you can use any soil you want. Now I have made the holes on this plastic, and I'll make some hole in this potting mix bag as well. And put this soil back inside the rice bag, because the rice bag is a bit hardy, so it will hold the soil properly. So I'll fill and put more soil inside this bag. So I'll cut from both the sides, because I don't need that much big bag and that much soil for tomato plant to grow. So I cut the both sides and make like this. And now I'll take out the plant from this small pot. I'll use some bit of soil from this plant, and will plant this plant here. So tomato plant grow its root from stem as well. So I'll cover the stem so that the stems, or if the stem grow roots, and it will get soil. Now need to water properly the plant, as this is the first time after I will plant this, so I need to use bit more water this time. So I'll keep it in sunny side in my balcony, and we'll let it grow. So this is the result after 1 month. As you can see, there are lots of small tomatoes. So after 3-4 weeks those will be ready to eat. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get more videos on gardening and cooking tips. And this is the outcome of another 2 weeks. So it's total 1 month 15 days, and you can see lots of big tomatoes. Thank you.